Hey there, friend. Do you remember when life got a whole lot simpler? Back when we were kids, it seems like every day was filled with fun, laughter, and endless possibilities. We had dreams that knew no bounds, didn't we? Well, as the years went by, I started to lose that spark. Somewhere along the way, the weight of responsibilities began to hold me down. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not complaining. I worked hard, played by the rules, saved diligently for retirement, and even invested wisely. But despite all that, here I am on the brink of retirement, and I'm still stressed out about money. Then something incredible happened. During August 2024, I reached a breaking point. I was overwhelmed, stressed out, and tired of always coming up short financially. I felt stuck in a cycle, working hard, but never getting ahead. And it was taking a toll on me. You know, the person I really want to be. I missed out on precious time with my family and the things I love because of my business. And to be honest, I was starting to lose hope. But then I found this blueprint and everything changed. It's been a total game changer for me. It's like a breath of fresh air and the relief I had been praying for. Here's what it did for me. First, it taught me simple, step-by-step digital marketing skills that allowed me to automate my business. This means I can now spend more time doing the things I love. Second, I learned how to focus on income-earning activities instead of the many tasks that don't put money in my pocket. It's amazing how much more productive I've become by focusing on what really matters. In fact, I can now condense my work into just 2 hours a day. That's it. And the rest of the day is pretty much mine to do whatever I want. The best part of all, it showed me how to attract customers through social media, so I never have to rely on friends or family for financial support ever again. Let me ask you this. Wouldn't it be nice to have an online business that brings in steady income, even while you're out fishing or traveling? Imagine not having to worry about money and being able to focus on the things that matter most to you in retirement. That's why I'm so excited to share this blueprint with you. It has given me the freedom to focus on what really matters while my business runs smoothly in the background. And the best part? It's incredibly simple to learn. Even if you're not tech savvy, this will work for you. I know it may seem too good to be true, but it's not. If this sounds like the kind of freedom you want in retirement, type "ready" in the comments. I'd love to show you the blueprint that's been such a blessing in my life. Together, we can build your legacy of freedom and enjoy the retirement you've always dreamed of. So are you ready to take the first step towards a more fulfilling and enjoyable retirement?